Well, it's so good to see you here in IKEA. How long has it been? Last time we saw you, I couldn't ignore you. Were several sheets to the wind. Now you're looking great with your measuring tape, and your parents must be chuffed with how you're measuring up. What did you say there? Or you call it IKEA? Well, I guess that's more Scandinavian. Is it IKEA or IKEA? Like IKEA, like IKEA. Is it IKEA or IKEA? Like IKEA, like IKEA, like IKEA. Saying the world was gonna end. Well, it's sort of did, but we didn't notice here in Swedish utopia. We missed that apocalypse. This could be heaven or this could be hell. The devil's in the details where God buys his shelves. Are we grown up now or just older than before? I'm shopping for my coffee here in IKEA, or whatever the hell it's called. Is it IKEA or IKEA or IKEA like IKEA like IKEA? Is it IKEA or IKEA like IKEA?